guys, Ryan with Technically Speaking. Today we're doing a review on Beyle's Laptop Backpack. Let's get into it. Okay, I bought this backpack for my son because every time it's time to go somewhere, it takes him forever because he has so many electronics that he's trying to carry out the door at one time. So figure I'd get this backpack, see if it help him out a little bit. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's check it out. On the front we got this security buckle and the regular front pocket. The side they got the regular little side pockets, but they have a USB connector. On the back got a little security pouch, probably where you keep your wallet or something. Other side, same thing, little regular pouch like every other book bag. Check it out. On the inside, have where you can fit up to a 17-inch laptop inside of it. Got a whole bunch of places you can put like a cell phone, ink pens, wallet. Nice little security spot for your wallet. And it's 6.5 inches deep, 18 inches tall, and 11.5 inches wide. Let's see how much stuff we can fill up in there. Okay, starting out, USB charger port. You're gonna have to get a power bank. It doesn't come with one. I have one on hand. I have to get you a power bank, plug it up to the USB, and you can zip it off into the side. Now let's fill it up. Laptop. Tablet, cell phone, notebook, Nintendo Switch, 3DS, Bluetooth headphones, wallet, couple of pens, gym shorts, soda, there you have it. As far as the outside, the material, it's nice material, pretty comfortable. Yeah, there's a lot of cushion on the straps. I like it. Now it says water resistant. We're gonna test that out too. Let's do a water test. As you can see, looks like the water just kind of beads off of it. Not absorbing nowhere. So it's made out of some kind of water absorbent, water resistant material. Didn't get wet, didn't soak in anywhere. So now I'm gonna check the USB charger port, see if that's worked anything. Got a cell phone here. Work. So my final verdict on Beyle Laptop Book Bag, or Beyle, however you pronounce it, sorry, I don't know. Is it consumable? I would say yeah. Especially if you like in college or something like that. This would be a great backpack. In case you get caught in the rain, you can put your laptop in it, all kind of books. And you got your little charger port. I wish I had all that when I was growing up. I didn't. But my verdict is yes, it's consumable. This is Ronald with Technically Speaking. And remember, don't be consumed. I'm out.